So here is how you can search for networks manually on the Android phone. Let me explain that and guide you through it. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so whenever you open up your phone and go to the settings and Wi-Fi, if you want to perform the search again, just make sure to turn the Wi-Fi off and then turn it back on to reinitiate the searching process, which is kind of like a pretty basic thing to do. But at first, we are starting with that. However, if there are some networks, especially hidden networks, which you are trying to connect to, but those are obviously not going to be shown in the available networks list, just scroll to the bottom entirely and tap on the plus button which says add a network. And in here, you can essentially type in the name, security, and password of a hidden network. In my opinion, those are much less common now than they were a few years back, but still, there are plenty of places where they don't have a publicly available Wi-Fi, but they have this hidden network, and if they want you to connect, then you need to type in the network name exactly, choose the proper security type, as well as entering the password. You have more options below, even the IP settings and proxy and so on, but that is how you can basically manually add the network on the Android phone. So I really hope that I was able to guide you through it and explain how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, I make a lot of tutorials like this, so if you are interested, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important.